take you, Estella, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Estella, take you, Bentley Drummond, to be my lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Miss Havisham.
Miss Havisham? The one who lives uptown.
If there is any Miss Havisham downtown.
Miss Havisham, that immensely rich lady, the one who lives in a large dismal house. Oh, but I have heard that she lives a life of seclusion.
Oh, she wants this boy to go and play there, and of course he's going, and he better play there.
I wonder how she came to know of Pip.
For that, we need to thank Uncle Pumbleton, who let my orphan brother make fortune by going to Miss Havisham's.
Be grateful, boy, to them who have brought you up by hands. Right, Mrs. Joe?
Yes, please have something, please.
Do I hear Christmas carols?
Perhaps, if I wasn't a blacksmith's wife and didn't have the responsibility of my orphan brother, I would have heard them too.
God bless you, old chap. You will be fine.
Boy, be always grateful to all the friends, but especially unto them who have brought you up by hand. Come on, let's go. We will see Miss Havisham tomorrow, and let me tell you about her. Be a gentleman in front of her. And don't be afraid, I will be with you, okay?